Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to display product information into quotation and sell order list view after install this app. See here our module, Dev Sell Order Details. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales and quotation list view in display order details of this product. A customizable disk. Now go to sell order and here also display order details. Thank you.